Hello and welcome again to my channel. How are you doing today? Hope you're doing okay. Well, this video also is to show you how to add videos on your blog. Yeah, so in case you don't know how to add video on your blog, well, you get to know how to do that now. Welcome back. Now, my name is Amadurs Michael, the online ambassador. Now, to actually add videos on your website, it's as easy as ABCD. Now, what YouTube's and also other online video platforms have tried to do is to actually, allow what we call embedding to take place on your site. So, which means when you go to any of the channel or platforms, you could just copy the URL link and paste on any of your posts, and it will find out that it will actually become a video. Now I will quickly go to my YouTube channel where I will actually get a video that we're going to embed right now. All right, so now I'll go to my channel, and here is my channel. So let's say we want to take any of this video, how to start a blog the easy way. So I click on it and I get this, I copy it, then I'm good to go. Then I'll go back right now to my post. Click add new posts. How to add video on my post. Alright, so I can come down here and I paste the link that I got. So you find out it's doing what? Embedding. Now once you finish embedding, you find out that it will now open here, and you can actually watch all that you want to watch here live. All you just need to do is to actually do what? Copy the URL from your YouTube channel, come to your post, and also do what? Paste it there. So in case you also want to add more content, you can actually do what? Add more content to your post. Let's say I get this, copy all this content, come down, I can add as many content that I want. Add as many content. I can also add images if I want to add alongside that. So let me go with this here, copy this, and also go back here and do what? Upload. So I can get another copy of an image. I can actually get that, upload that. Okay, it's going to be welcome to the online ambassador platform. Get to know the academy. All you want to do that. Then of course these sections, I do what? Category. I'll give it a category. So I can actually give it a category where you can actually, SAT. Put up your SAT, then get the image already. It's actually one here, so get it. It's the image. Start here. Then category. Then give it the category. If you want, you can use any of them. If you want, you can say you want this to actually be on the academy. You can select the academy as that. Then you do publish. Publish it, go back to post, refresh. Okay, now we have our post already here. So once you click on the post, it will now open, so you can actually just see that. So here is our video. So you click on the video, and here you go. You can start watching. Since you can spend. Sorry, so let me take it from the start. All right. Hello and welcome to the online ambassador. And also, if in case you also want to watch it in full screen, all you need is to do what? Full screen. Then play. Is Amadurs Michael. I hope you're doing okay. I hope this video is meeting you in good and amazing condition. That's all you need to do actually to get your video up and running. So all you need to do is to make sure you get your video from any of the platform, then come to any of your also other page, other posts, or anywhere in your website. Just copy the link and paste it there, and it will now give you access to watch it, or for your audience to be able to watch it from your website. It's as easy as ABCD. Okay, so you want to actually embed video, you want to actually add video on your post. All you need to do is to go to your channel, get that. And in case you don't have any channel, then sure, I also have a video that I also add on the description below on how you can also create your YouTube channel. So you can get the video there, because it's not advisable for you to upload your raw videos on your website. It will eat up the space and make your website to get slow. So you need to also get it on your YouTube channel, then get that video and embed it on your website. It's as good as ABCD. Alright, so until I come your way next time, I still remain your one and only Amadurs Michael. Bye for now.